Dear friends and people of Kazakhstan, the Medical Workers' Day in Kazakhstan this year comes at a particularly difficult moment for all of us. On behalf of the United Nations system, and also on my own behalf, I'd like to sincerely commend all the healthcare workers who are selflessly serving during what may be one of the greatest challenges we face ever since the creation of the United Nations. We reiterate that investment in health is an investment in human capital. It is an investment in social and economic development, which means it is an investment for our future. The United Nations system fully supports the effort of Kazakhstan to fight off this pandemic. To dear healthcare heroes and everyone who supports them, please remember that we stand in solidarity with you and that we count on you. We thank you for your courage, commitment, and also professionalism.
Today, we celebrate the true heroes of our times who sacrificed their safety for ours. My sincere gratitude goes to the doctors, midwives, nurses, and all the healthcare workers for their tireless work and selfless service to keep us all healthy. Thank you.
Dear Kazakhstani doctors, dear healthcare workers, today we're here to celebrate your day, the Day of the Healthcare Workers. This also gives us the opportunity to thank you for all the efforts and all the commitments that you have made in order to save patients' lives and ensure that they recover. This message particularly goes to the ones that are in charge of treating patients infected with COVID-19. The past months have required an enormous amount of effort from all of you, and we are here to support you. I'd like to close with one message. Please take care of yourselves, stay safe, protect yourselves, and look after your families to the best of your abilities. Thank you.
От имени ЮНИСЕФ и от себя лично я бы хотел поздравить всех работников системы здравоохранения с вашим профессиональным праздником, Днем медика. Здоровье наших детей, здоровье нашего будущего поколения лежит в ваших руках. Ваш профессионализм и преданность своей профессии особенно заметна в период пандемии. Я бы хотел выразить слово искренней благодарности всем медицинским работникам, самоотверженно противостоящим огромному вызову и охраняющим здоровье граждан Казахстана. Огромное спасибо.
The United Nations Population Fund salutes the health workers of Kazakhstan on this special day and every day for their incredible dedication and for risking their lives to protect the health and well-being of their community. We thank in particular obstetrician gynecologists, midwives and nurses for caring for pregnant women and for helping them to give life in safety. Today it's also International Father's Day, so a special thank you also goes to health workers who are parents for not being able to spend enough time with their children and for taking extra precautionary measures to protect their families. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Я хочу поздравить от лица сотрудников нашей миссии, своих коллег, всех медицинских работников с наступающим праздником. И хочу пожелать, помимо успехов в работе, простых человеческих радостей, счастья, благополучия, здоровья вам и вашим близким. Выражаю благодарность за ваш упорный и нелегкий труд в наше неспокойное время.